Hello, this is Joan of Art and welcome to my room again. I have something in the bag and I bought something. So, nagbakal, I bought something. Buy is bakal and the past tense bought is nagbakal. So whenever you say something in the past tense, the verb, you add the prefix nag to any verb. So nag. The verb buy is bakal. So nagbakal. I bought something. Ako nagbakal or nagbakal ako. Guess what's in the bag? Goodies! Snack foods that I used to enjoy when I was a kid. Well, according to me, there are 3 levels of buying. That's just according to me. First is bakal. That's your ordinary buying. You just buy stuff, just a few. You just buy, bakal. But if you buy a lot of stuff, a lot of things, a lot of food stuff or groceries or things that you need to store or you have to stock up on a lot of things, you call it compra. And the past tense of that is, well, it's not nagkompra but nangompra. Third level of buying. So you don't just buy bakal or you don't just buy a lot, which is compra, but you buy everything. You buy all of them. So if you buy everything and all of them inside, it's called Pacquiao. Remember the boxer, Manny Pacquiao? So it's Pacquiao but spelled the Ilonggo way, just Pacquiao. Past tense, you add the prefix na Macquiao. I know the rules of these words. First, nag plus bakal, so nagbakal, but it becomes nang when you add it to compra, so nangompra, and then it becomes na Macquiao for Pacquiao. So anyway, what's in this bag? I just bought. So nagbakal. I did not compra or buy a lot of stuff, or I did not Pacquiao everything because why would I do that? I bought some snacky things I enjoyed to eat when I was a child. So this is called barquiron. It's a combination of barquillos. So this tubular food, it's kind of it's closest to your ice cream cone, only it's tubular. It's about the same ingredient. Barquillos. So barquillos, and then inside the barquillos, they stuff it with another goodie, the polvoron. The polvoron can be a separate snack. It comes in powder form. That's polvoron, from the word powder. It's a Spanish polvoron. This is polvoron. Polvoron is powdery, milky stuff. Polvoron. And then they stuff it into these tubular barquillos, wrap it, and barquillos and polvoron becomes now your barquiron. Yummy. Bakal barquiron. We have here the kwakoy. Kwakoy is really my favorite. When I was a little girl, I thought that the kwakoy here, they're rice, flattened rice cakes. They're ground rice and sugar and maybe a lot of other stuff in there, but mostly rice and sugar. And then they're ground and formed into little rectangles of various sizes, so this is quite average. When I was a little girl, I thought all the while that these are edible paper. So before eating them, I would draw on these things. So I would draw and then I would nibble around my drawing and eat my drawing, which I did using blue ball pen. I still remember that. And then I would nibble around the drawing and eat my drawing last. So that's my memory of the kwakoy. This is kwakoy. Kwakoy, my favorite. Banana chips. So my daughter asked me to buy banana chips for her. My father used to buy lots of these and he would come up with games so that the winner would get an extra banana chip for herself or himself, whoever the winner is. So banana chips. These are Bea's favorites, banana chips. I think I'll buy a couple for her. Banana chips. And of course, last but not the least in my bag of goodies is of course the piaya is of course the Bacolod native delicacy, the flattened cake of flour. Inside is brown sugar, so it's crispy on the outside and a bit sticky, moist on the inside. So that's the best piaya. These are piaya. This is what you do when you're nagapamakal or buying stuff. Gotta choose, pili. Choose what I like. Pili. What do we have here? Pili. Bakal, buy. Bakal, Bandi, a peanut brittle snack. Bandi. Yema, milky balls. Barquillos of different flavors. Pinasubo. That's banana strips, deep fried in oil and dipped in brown sugar and sesame seeds. These are the stuff that I bought, nagbakal. So I bought these stuff. That's your word for tonight. I hope you learned something, and of course, I love you all. Until next time. Do like, share, and subscribe so that we come up with more informative, educational, as well as entertaining videos for you. Bye-bye for now.